Hi, you're very welcome. And today I just want to do another one of my messy experiments um, with AI. And what I've done is that this is a fake data set based on review text, but this is quite a common thing that people have to do where they actually have to analyze sentiment in something. So this is making up review text, this is the star rating, and then we'll buy again. So just a reminder again, it needs to be saved as a table, and you do that under Insert and Table. Just click on one cell. Autosave needs to be on, which I have up here, and it also saved to OneDrive. So I'm just going to come over here to Home, and then I'm just going to come over here to Copilot, and I'm just going to put in the prompt that I have in the blog post. So let me just copy and paste that in. Okay. All right, let's go for it. Let's see what it does. Now, it should do the same thing again, famous last words, but let's see how it goes. So at the moment you see there, it's reviewing the data. Okay, and that one there. I like this one. Progress is steady and fascinating. Didn't say that the last time. And I might put the recording on pause until it actually gives me something. And again. Now you see there, it's giving me this is one thing I have a gripe about, is that it tends to go to Python. And most Excel users are not going to be, Python users. Okay, so it's given kind of a quite good one here. Gives the download summary there. And what we can do then, see there, it says create a pivot table for sentiment by product name. That sounds quite a good one. Yeah, let's do that one. I'll do the add conditional formatting. Now, I did run this before and it actually didn't give me those options. So let's see what it does. And it's going to put this onto a separate file. And again, I'm just going to put on pause while it's doing its thing. Oh, there it goes. Add a legend, apply icon sets. I'm going to say yes, please, to the pivot chart. Yes, please, to the quick pivot chart. Yeah. Now, combining a pivot chart in Excel using Python, you don't need to use Python for a pivot chart, Copilot. Yeah, there's one thing that kind of annoys me about this, I have to say. Okay. All right, now I'm just going to click on this and see what it gives me. Not bad. I don't know what all those unnamed bits there are in the middle. Let's see if it gives me a pivot table. Yeah, it does, but you can't update it. Okay, so it gives me a chart, and again, it probably would have been almost easier to do that myself, to be honest with you. Okay, but then you need to know a bit about it. All right, let me go back to my original.